Hello everyone, hope you happy in learning English. Today, we'll review how to change the following sentences from affirmative to negative. Example: they live in San Francisco. They don't live in San Francisco. There are 11 months in a year. There aren't 11 months in a year. Let's change the following sentences from affirmative to negative. 1. She went to Chicago by plane. 2. The two boys are in Ms. Collier's office. 3. The magazine cost $2. 4. These people live in Venezuela now. 5. They stayed in France for 10 years. 6. He got up at 5 o'clock this morning. 7. We were in the park for 2 hours. 8. She speaks
English. Kern. Do you know how to answer? Let's try. 1. She didn't go to Chicago by plane. 2. The two boys aren't in Ms. Collier's office. 3. The magazine doesn't cost $2. 4. These people don't live in Venezuela now. 5. They didn't stay in France for 10 years. 6. He didn't get up at 5 o'clock this morning. 7. We weren't in the park for 2 hours. 8. She doesn't speak English. Wish you happy in learning English.